Today, you will learn how to remove Yahoo from Chrome permanently. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner, click the three dots and then click Settings. On the Settings page, look at the left side and click Search Engine. Now, on the right side, you'll see the Search Engine section. Here, click Manage Search Engines and Site Search. Before you can delete Yahoo, you need to make sure Yahoo is not your default search engine. If Yahoo is currently selected, find the search engine you want to use, such as Google, click the three dots next to it, and choose Make Default. Now your preferred search engine is the default. If you only wanted to stop Chrome from using Yahoo, you can stop here. But if you want to remove Yahoo completely, stay on this page. Find Yahoo in the list, click the three dots next to Yahoo, and select Delete. Chrome should immediately remove Yahoo from the list. Next, don't forget to check the Site Search section on the same page. If you see additional sites, expand it and look for Yahoo. If Yahoo appears there, click the three dots next to it and select Delete. This removes Yahoo from the additional search shortcuts as well. Now there's one more important thing to check, especially if Yahoo keeps coming back after you remove it. An unwanted Chrome extension can sometimes change your search engine settings. To check your extensions, click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome, select Extensions, and then click Manage Extensions. You will see all the extensions installed in Chrome. Carefully review this list. If you see an extension that you don't recognize, don't remember installing, or don't trust, click Remove and confirm the removal. Don't remove extensions you know and trust, because some extensions are useful and legitimate. After removing a suspicious extension, close Chrome completely and open it again. Then search from the address bar and check whether your preferred search engine is still being used. If Yahoo keeps returning even after removing suspicious extensions, there could be unwanted software on your computer changing Chrome's settings. Open Windows Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps, and look through the list for programs you don't recognize or don't remember installing. If you identify something suspicious, uninstall it. And if the problem still continues, Chrome has a built-in reset option. In Chrome Settings, go to Reset Settings, choose Restore Settings to their original defaults, and confirm the reset. This can help restore important browser settings and disable problematic extensions. And that's it. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe.